Thank you, guys. Okay, then you all know how to use ChatGPT in a very, 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 very basic level, like a baby class student. Okay, so you all are still in a nursery in using ChatGPT, but I will increase your level up to high school level. Okay, so now you are there in a nursery level, but I will teach you some concepts of using ChatGPT so that your improvement can go up to high school. Okay, ninth, 10th level, right? So first, let me tell you something. Always using AI, you can get everything nowadays. Okay, but how nicely we should use, what for we are using, okay, all that matters a lot. Okay, so we can only take the help of AI, but we should not entirely depend on AI. That is very, very important. Okay, so you should have a fine line, fine gap between using AI and depending on AI. Okay, you can use AI. Definitely, you have to use AI in these, current situation, because one who knows AI will replace a person who do not know AI in the future. Okay, in any job, the person who uses AI is replacing the person who does not use AI. Keep this in mind. So you should definitely use AI for different aspect, but you should not only depend on AI. You should use your intelligence, okay, and then apply it on AI. But you should not entirely depend on AI. Is that clear, everyone? So if you have understood this point, say S in the chat section, everyone. Okay, you can use AI. You should be using AI in everything, but you should not depend only on AI. You should not blindly believe on AI completely. Okay, so that's what I meant to tell you, right? Okay, so first, let me tell you this fact that AI can give everything that you want, but how nicely it gives depends on how nicely you ask a question. Okay, the message that we type in that chat box, the question or whatever that you want to ask, that is called as prompt. Okay, so everybody type this word prompt in the chat section. So how nicely you write prompt matters a lot and lot. Okay, today I will teach you how to write prompts to learn better as a student. Okay, so what are we learning here? Learning how to do prompting, and also I will give you hands-on experience along with me. You will also be doing. Are you all having ChatGPT account? Free account is enough for me. Okay, in one tab, everybody have logged in from laptop only, no? So one tab, you keep your ChatGPT ready. So take 1 minute of time. So open another tab in the laptop. You can take the help of your parent or your sister or brother, whomever you have. Okay, so in one more tab, keep your ChatGPT open. Okay, because you are doing along with me, right?
Ma'am,
I'm
will
not
Gemini
just
work?
telling this. Yes, Shaurya?
Will Gemini work?
No, let's work on ChatGPT. Actually, Gemini is also fine. Let's see if you have Gemini account when you don't have ChatGPT account.
No.
Okay, Gemini also fine. No problem. If you have Gemini currently, use Gemini also. Not an issue. Okay, fine. So keep open it onto a side tab. One more tab. Keep that ready. Okay. So now let me tell you something about a prompting. Anything that you ask, whatever you search in AI, your prompting should contain three parts. Okay. So how many parts? Three parts. Prompt should contain three parts. You should ask prompt in three different parts. Everybody type this three parts in the chat section. Three parts. You should not just copy paste the question. Okay, so you should nicely ask the prompt. Only then it can give a better output. Okay, so let me share my screen and I will explain you about how to give prompt, and then we will work with ChatGPT. Okay, so first let us learn um, writing a prompt. Okay, so can you all see my screen? Yes, everyone? Can you all see my screen? Show thumbs up. Okay, show your thumbs up. Yes, very good, very good. So, what I am teaching you is, giving prompts. Okay, fine. So it should have three parts, I said, right? It should have three parts. Number one, role. You should give a role to a ChatGPT. Okay, so you should tell, say, suppose you want to learn something from a science, okay, or you want to learn something from a maths. You want to ask a science question, maths question, social question, whatever it is. Say you want to ask a science question. So you have to tell ChatGPT that take a role of, very strong role you should give. You cannot say take a role of teacher. No, you have to tell take a role of 20-year experienced, okay, 20 years experienced CBSE science teacher. Okay, CBSE science teacher who produced top ranks in CBSE. See, this is how you should give the role. Okay, right? It should be very strong role. You cannot just say, imagine you're a science teacher or take a role of science teacher. No, that becomes very, very simple. It might not give you a strong output. Okay, so you have to give the role so strong. Say, suppose you want to ask about some news that is happening. So you have to ask ChatGPT that take a role of expert journalist who has got a national level award. Imagine you're a national awardee. Okay, this kind of strong roles you have to give it to ChatGPT. Okay, clear everyone? So if it is clear, say clear in the chat section. So always give a strong role. Okay, when you don't give a role, no, the output will not be that effective. Okay, it might give you answer, but the output will not be effective. Okay, so role is important. So now, after defining a role, then you have to put the body. Okay, body means what? Whatever you want from ChatGPT, you ask that. Okay, so ask whatever you want. Ask whatever you want. I mean, say for example, I want 10 1 mark question. 1 mark question. Okay, from life process chapter. From life process chapter, okay, which is there in NCRT, chapter of NCRT. Mention it carefully, mention it very deep, very elaborative way, okay, of NCRT textbook. Like this, you ask whatever you want. So this as the first point. Okay, now the second point. Okay, you can also ask, give 10 2 mark question. So ask everything point wise. Okay, you might want 1, 2, 3, 4 things, right? So whatever that 1, 2, 3, 4 things that you want, make it a point wise and ask elaborately. Okay, say give 10 2 mark questions. Okay, so which are based on higher order thinking question, that is HOTS, means higher order thinking questions. Okay, so or you can ask third one, give activity based questions. Okay, activity based questions from NCRT, whatever. These are just examples that are coming to my mind and I'm telling you. But whatever you want from ChatGPT, whatever questions that you are supposed to ask, now you put one by one in the ChatGPT. Okay, so everything is a single prompt. Everything is a single prompt here. Everything you have to type together. Okay, so that is very important. Now third part. Third part is give instructions. Give instructions. So this is very important. Instructions in the sense you have to be very, very specific. Instructions in the sense specifications. Instructions in the sense specifications. So that means, see here, make sure that you refer 15 previous year CBSE question papers. CBSE question papers. See, you are again specifying point. Okay, so it will search all CBSE question papers which are there on web, and whatever the topic that you asked, it will connect to those question papers, and whatever questions which are there in that question paper, everything it will give you. Okay, so all that it will give you, and then you also ask that give the question should be moderate to difficult. Okay, many a times when you ask a question, no, it will give a very easy thing. Okay, so if you want something challenging that you want, that also you have to specify. I will specify here. Questions should be moderate to difficult. Moderate to difficult. If you want easy, you can mention easy also. Whatever. Question should be easy to moderate, or question should be moderate to difficult. Okay, so this is what we call specifications. Okay, so this much should be a prompt. Okay, to get a perfect answer. Everybody got to know? Yes. Prompt should include 3 parts. Number 1, role. You should assign a role for ChatGPT. Okay, without a role, don't do it, because it will not give you that genuine answer. It will not give you that satisfactory answer. Okay, so always give a role to ChatGPT. Tell that, take a role of a best teacher, award winning teacher, take a role of 20-year experienced teacher. So this way you specify the role. And the next one is body of the prompt. Body of the prompt in the sense what actually you want from ChatGPT, that you ask. Okay, so how many other questions may be? Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, like this, point wise you go on asking whatever you want. Okay, and after that, give specifications, give some instructions. Okay, so that means, see here, make sure you refer all the previous papers, make sure the question should be easy, make sure the question should be moderate, difficult, make sure that question should be based on critical thinking, make sure that question should be based on problem solving type. This is how, be very, very specific. Okay, is that clear, everyone? So everybody got to know how to write prompt. You can use ChatGPT, you can use Gemini or whatever. So this is the very, very fundamental and basic prompt that you all should be using. Okay, right? If this is clear, say yes in the chat section. Okay, so if the type of a prompt, okay, so if the format of the prompt is clear for you, say yes in the chat section. Okay, yes. Okay, so from now on, whatever you search from AI, use this format. This is a very simple format. Okay, right? So now let me open my ChatGPT account, and I will put the same prompt and see what it will give. Everybody, you can also do along with me in the next tab that you have opened. Okay, I will share my screen. I will just open my ChatGPT account here. Yes, I have ChatGPT. I am opening my ChatGPT account. Can everyone see my screen? If you can see my screen, say yes in the chat section. I have opened up my ChatGPT account here. Okay, so very good, very good. Okay, see now, I have already given the prompt that I have shown for you all, but once again I will give here. Okay, so everybody type along with me in your own tab. Okay, so you all are ready with your ChatGPT tab, no? Your ChatGPT tab is ready for you all. Say yes in the chat section if you are ready with ChatGPT tab, because we are going to write the same prompt that I taught you. Yes. Okay, Shaurya says it's launched about a month, because I got just 5 days back. Notification I got 5 days back. That's why I said, okay, fine, super. Okay. So, right. So now I am just typing a prompt here that I said. Okay. Say, hi. Take a role of expert. Okay, expert science, expert 20-year experienced. I'll give very strong words. I'll use very, very strong words to get very strong answer. Okay, I'll take a role. I take a role of expert, 20-year experienced, class 10, CBSE, science teacher, who produced top ranks in India. Okay. Then whenever you want to enter in ChatGPT, no, always hold shift and then enter so that it will go to the next line. Okay. So always whenever you want to go to the next line, hold shift key and type, press enter button, it will go to the next line. Do you know this? Yes, because if you press enter, no, it will directly give the answer. Okay, so when you want to go to the next line, always hold shift and then press enter, it will go to the next line. So I have gone to the next line now. Okay, is that clear, everyone? If this much is clear, say S in the chat section. Okay. Okay, super. Okay, so hold shift and press enter. You are going to the next line. Okay, I'm holding shift and I'm pressing enter. I have gone to the next line and now I will type, okay, I have given a role for it and then I am asking whatever I want. Okay, so give me 10 1 mark questions, from nutrition subtopic. I'm asking very specific, from nutrition subtopic of life process chapter. Life processes chapter, from NCERT class 10 textbook. Okay, textbook. Okay, and then again I want, this is the first thing I want. Okay, I'll put a number here, number 1 key, or you can just go to the next line and ask the next point. Give me one by one, you should ask. Okay, one by one you should ask. Then it will give the questions one by one in a order. So otherwise it gets confused actually. Okay, so give me 10 2 mark questions. Okay, questions from the same subtopic, mentioned above. Okay, fine. Then, okay, so I asked whatever I want. Now I will give instructions. Part 3. Okay, part 3 of the, I'm going to the next line and I'm giving instructions and more specifications. Okay, so now these are the things I wanted from ChatGPT. I asked the questions. Now I have gone to the next line and I am giving specifications and instructions. See how I am giving specifications. Make sure you refer you make sure you analyze carefully and refer previous 15 years CBSE question papers to give these questions. Okay, and then I'm going to the next line. Also refer okay, activities section of NCERT textbook on above topic, okay, topic, to give higher order thinking questions, okay, to give higher order, you also do it along with me. Hope you all are also doing along with me, okay, higher order thinking questions. Okay, this much you type and let's see what it will give. Everybody done typing this much? I'm waiting. You can see and type in your own tab. Okay. Very simple prompt, very basic prompt I have given you. So just type. We have given role and we have asked whatever we want and we have given instructions also. And let's see how it will give the question. Yes, if you are done typing this much, say S in the chat section so that I will press enter. Okay, because the moment you press enter, it starts giving. Yes or no? So if it is done, say done in the chat section. If it is done giving this much prompt, say done in the chat section. Okay, I'm waiting for some dones so that I will press enter. Okay. So done, done. We'll press enter now. Done. Shall we do done? Ritvik said done, Shruti done, Harshita done, Brunda done, Sridhar done. Yes, I'm waiting for few more dones so that I will do done. Done entered also. Shaurya already entered. Okay. So now done. Let's see what it will put for us. See, big prompt we have given. Thinking longer, analyzing, all this is very important. It is also searching CBSE resources. It is analyzing. Okay, I'm very excited. Yes, excited to see the questions that it will give. Finalizing the sources, citing the sources properly. Yes, you do nice research. We'll wait. My system is very slow. Has anybody got questions already? Yes, got. How are the questions?
No,
How are the
ma'am, not
questions?
yet.
Okay, so for me it is giving questions. Let's see. Wow. Define nutrition in living organism. Name two raw materials required for photosynthesis. Which tissue transport food in plants? Give one function of chlorophyll. What is the role of bile in digestion? Wow. 10 1 mark question. How apt, how relevant these questions are. Guys, all these are your PYQ questions only. See how relevant. Okay, 2 marker questions. Write a word equation for photosynthesis. Give two differences between autotrophic and heterotrophic. See, activity-based question also it has given because we said no to include activities also. See, a potted plant is kept in darkness for 48 hours and then one leaf is exposed. Okay, so it has given questions based on higher order thinking questions, activities and everything. Okay, super, no? Super, right? And it is saying that provide model answer. It said I can provide model answers making points for all 20 questions. It is saying that I'll also give answers for those questions. Okay, and convert some of the 2 mark items into source based assertion reason type questions. It is saying that I can convert these questions into assertion and reason type also, right? Make a printable page. Everything is fine, but I will show you one more amazing thing that happened in the evening. Actually, I was working with the same prompt in the evening before the class. Okay, so I have already done one research. Guys, look at another thing I will open for you. Okay, so this is the research I have done. The same prompt I have given, but slightly different. See, this is the prompt I had given. I mean, before I start this inner circle call at 5 o'clock in the evening, I was working with ChatGPT because I wanted to teach how it goes on. I wanted to try first and then teach you. So when I was trying at 5 o'clock, I asked this way, same thing. Hi, take a role of 20-year experienced CBSE science teacher who produced top ranks in CBSE board exam. Analyze life process chapter of class 10 NCERT textbook. In that, carefully go through every line of complete nutrition topic. I included this. Okay, give me 10 1-mark questions and 10 2-mark questions. Make sure you give these questions by referring through 15-year CBSE question papers and frame higher order thinking questions from activity sections which are there in NCERT textbook. Almost it has given same questions only. Okay, see, it has given define nutrition, green pigment, the same type of questions it has given. But the end, it said like this. Okay, what it said is, see, if you like, I can map each of these 20 questions to the exact NCERT line and CBSE year they have appeared in. So you get a broad, smart version of the list, which is what I always gave my toppers in revision season. Say they hit 100% on 1 and 2 markers. It said I can also give this. I typed yes. See here, I typed yes, give me. You know, amazing thing that it has given me. Guys, you will be shocked. Look at here. Okay, look at here. Question number 1 is nutrition. It said that this question is there in page number 95 and the same question was asked in 2 CBSE years, 2011 and 2018. Question number 2, it has given on a concept that is there in page number 96 and the same question has appeared in 2 years of CBSE paper 2014 and 2021. Question number 3 has appeared in these 2 years. Question number 4 is appeared in these 2 years and that particular question was framed on the topic which comes in 97th page it seems. Question number 5 came in this year. Question number 7 came in this year. Amazing, right? Even if a teacher has to do this research, he or she will take at least 2 to 3 months time, which is the topic, how many years it has appeared, what way it has appeared, everything to analyze and do a research. Even for a teacher, even if the teacher is so much talented, for a talented teacher, it will take at least 2 months here. But ChatGPT has given in 10 seconds. Isn't it amazing? Yes, guys. Tell me, isn't it amazing? Yes? Somebody can unmute and share your opinion on this. How do you feel this information? I'll share this thread, okay, for you all. I'll share this now only in the chat section. Okay, so I'll share this particular thread for you all.
This shooting of Cooley, I experienced something from
Who is
him.
that?
We shot 17 days in Bangkok. I mean,
Can somebody unmute? I will give this link for you all, okay, in the chat section. Just later on, you can just refer this. Okay, so whatever the research I have done, at 5 o'clock, the information that it has given, see, it is there in the chart. You can just copy this somewhere and later you can go through this thread. Okay, so go through these questions also, right? So this is how you can get whatever you want, guys. So it has given 1-mark questions, it has given 2-mark questions, isn't it? So maybe some of the questions can be different. For different people, in different systems, maybe slightly it will show some difference, but that's fine. Okay, so you can work with whatever the questions that you got, right? Guys, how many of you feel this is amazing, right? I'll just stop sharing and I wanted to see your faces. Yes. Nice, no? So can you share your opinion? How did you feel about this? Tell me your opinion about this. You can unmute and talk. Raise your hand. I'll allow you to talk. Sridhar, yes, you raised your hand. Tell me what is your opinion? What did you get from your side? What were the questions? Did you get the same questions?
Actually, I typed about Karnataka board previous papers.
Okay.
Actually, it is given questions, but I didn't mention specifically life process. So every chapter has some.
And you
what
have
the
to
thing
specifically
is that
mention.
But what the thing is like it has come this thing sustainable management.
Yeah. You have to very specific to the topic. You can't ask a general question. You have to be specific with AI. That's very important. Yes, somebody used other AI. Shaurya, you have used Gemini. What is the output? Better than this?
I can't tell whether it is better or not, but it has given. I asked for MCQs, right? So
Huh.
it has given a quiz format.
Oh, quiz. Even, yeah, that's also fine. But the same prompt what I have used, you should have used so that we can able to compare, right?
Yeah, actually, I just changed that again. The same thing that Sridhar changed.
Uh,
I didn't mention life processes, but I think I should share the screen to you about
yeah,
that.
definitely. Share your screen. I'll allow you. I don't know how to make Shaurya allow. Yes. Share the screen.
Just a minute, ma'am.
Okay.
Is it visible?
No. I think it will come. Wait. Yeah. It's visible. It's visible. So what did you type? Where is your prompt? Show me your prompt. That is your prompt.
No, it's
Where is
very
your
much.
prompt?
No, wait, just a minute.
Okay.
This is the prompt.
Okay, so this is the take a role of 20-year experienced teacher who teaches class 10. Okay, you asked two marker. Give me 10 MCQs and 10 two markers in a format. MCQ, then two marker. See, the way you asked is not proper, right? So it should be very, very clear. Okay, then go down what it has put for you. These are the questions it has put for you. These MCQs.
Yeah.
Okay. So randomly you asked, no, you didn't specifically asked about a particular chapter, right? So that's why
Yeah.
it has given a random question, see redox reaction, define homologous series, name, formula and everything. Yes, everybody learn this year. Be very, very specific. What topic you want? Okay, so that specification is very important. Just you can use the prompt I have given. You can keep on changing the headings. Okay, whatever you want, but use the same prompt format, guys, for your learning. Okay, so that's very important. And you can do the other thing also. I'll show you one more way of getting information from ChatGPT. Let me share my screen now. How? Yeah. Okay. So now, how to cancel this Shaurya? I can't able to see. One second. Yeah. I'll share my screen now. See. Okay. See, what I can do is I can upload a PDF. Okay, say let me upload PDF, add photos and file. Some PDF I will upload like let me take if I have any of your chapter biology, uh, webinar class 10. One second. Mm. Okay, so I don't have your. What I can do is say just listen here. You can upload your PDF file, okay, textbook PDF file. Otherwise, I can just download one PDF. Okay, now let me just NCRT class 10 science textbook. Okay, I'm just downloading from Google. Then we will see. Yeah, I'll download one of your chapters. Say, for example, yes, chapter number 1 only I will download. Okay, so I'm downloading this. Chapter 1. Okay, so now it is there in my downloads. I will go to ChatGPT now. This is disturbing me. Okay, so I have gone to the ChatGPT. I will upload that PDF. Okay, yes, I'm uploading this PDF, right? So now, yes, it is getting uploaded. Let us wait. Meanwhile, we will type. See the prompt that I am typing here. Again, I'm giving a role here. Okay, so take a role of 20 year 20-year expert class 10 science teacher who sets, okay, let's just give more stronger role. Okay, who sets CBSE board papers. Okay, who sets CBSE board paper. Okay, CBSE board paper. Okay, so we have given a very strong role now for the ChatGPT. So what I will ask is analyze. I'm very weak in spellings here. Analyze the above PDF and give 10 challenging hots of 2 mark also you specifically mention of 2 marks. Okay, yeah, enough. So if you want, you can elaborate whatever you want. So you can upload PDF and then ask. Okay, so it will give in activity 1. See how nicely it is giving here. In activity 1, magnesium ribbon burns, very, very higher order thinking questions it has given. If you can become perfect with this level, no, definitely you will get 100. Okay. If you want, I can also tag each of these HOTS question with exact NCERT page, experiment number, and CBSE previous year question paper reference. Yes, let me ask yes. Okay, yes. See the magic, yaar. I loved this. See, the first question, it picked from this activity 1.1 law of conservation of mass, and the same question format was asked in 2 CBSE years, 2016 and 2022, skill based. It's application of conservation of mass to data. See, second question, it picked from page number 2, activity 1.3, and that question was asked in 2 years. Okay, so you no need to refer any CBSE papers. ChatGPT only will give everything, right? See, guys, this much analysis, even if a teacher want to do, it will take 2 to 3 months easily, right? But it has given such nice information here. Okay, use this. Okay, see, it has given so many questions. So it has given 10 questions, okay, on chemical reactions and equations. All questions are on chemical equations only because I have uploaded that specific document here, right? I have uploaded that specific document. This is another way you can use ChatGPT to get whatever you want. Okay, isn't it crazy? Type crazy in the chat section here. If you found this crazy, type crazy in the chat section. Okay. Yes. Crazy, right? Seriously crazy. You can work with these questions. Don't ask answers. Of course, it will give answers also, but don't ask answers when you have become thorough with a particular chapter. No, work. You can get questions from ChatGPT, use those questions for answering, and then see whether your answers are correct or not. Okay, right? Yeah, crazy, right? Super. Fine. And now, I will also teach you one more aspect here. Suppose if you want to learn some topic in a better way, okay, that you did not understand in a class, okay, so you can ask this way. Instead of asking explain photosynthesis for me easily, you can ask like this. See, always whenever you want to ask something, always give a role. Okay, again, take a role of 20-year experienced, okay, science teacher science teacher. Okay, explain. Say simple topic I am taking, photosynthesis. Explain photosynthesis. Okay, photosynthesis to a 8-year-old. To a 8-year. Yes. Who is that? To a 8-year-old in a most fun way. In a most fun way. Okay, like this. Just tell that, explain it to a 8-year-old or 7-year-old in a most fun way, in a most entertaining way. See, it will explain. Once upon a time, every green leaf was actually a tiny chef. Chef in the sense someone who prepares food. So it called leaf as chef. Okay, so very innovative. Yes, the leaves on plants are not just hanging there. They run the leaf restaurant for the whole plant. Okay, here is how they work: the sunlight delivery, the air order, the root parcel, sun kitchen. Just showing you, I'm not going into a detailed way. So it has given something it has explained something in a most funniest way, isn't it? Right? So that is how you can use ChatGPT here. Okay, so the prompts are very, very important. So you can use something like this. If you have any doubts, you can ask me so far, whatever you have learned, right? If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Raise your hand so that I can unmute you, unmute yourself and ask the doubts.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
ma'am, actually, I have doubt in that question, that trace sequence of reflex action when bright light is faced on ice.
Okay.
So I asked ChatGPT, with that only I highlight that point in NCERT and it shows.
Okay.
So I got answer from that for that question.
Okay.
So
Okay.
that's
So
all.
your answer is satisfactory.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Super. Then anybody, any doubts?
Ma'am, can you explain the last section you wrote?
I can't hear you. I can't hear you. Who is that?
Ma'am, I'm Shruti.
Okay. Tell me.
Ma'am, can you explain the last section you wrote? I was checking ChatGPT, it was not coming.
Can you explain which question?
The last question you asked, right? Like in ChatGPT.
Okay. Explaining a particular concept.
Yes, ma'am.
See, whenever you want ChatGPT to explain a particular concept, no, make sure that you tell this point ki, see, take a role is common, role you give, and then you ask explain photosynthesis to a 8-year-old in most fun way. Like this, you specify. Okay, you specify the age 5 years younger than you. Okay, say suppose if you are a 15-year-old, say ask ChatGPT that you explain it like a 8-year-old guy, so that it will simplify furthermore and it will present the topic so that you can understand. Okay, if you simply ask explain photosynthesis in a easy way, it will just randomly give you. Okay, that might not help you to some extent. Okay, but when you ask explain it in a most fun way, as if you are explaining it to a 8-year-old kid or 10-year-old kid, then it will decode, it will simplify furthermore and it will explain you so that you can understand in a better way, right? So that is the purpose of telling this sentence. Explain it to a 8-year-old kid or 10-year-old kid. Okay, like that. Okay. So this is how you can, this thread also I will share for you in the chat section. Okay, so you can refer later. So I'll just copy and then I'll put it in your charts so that these things can remain as a reference for you later after the class. You can use them for the reference. Okay. Yeah. That's it. Okay. So this is what I wanted to tell you. So today what I taught you is the most basic one. Okay. But lot more things we can do with this. But for a learner, for a student, this is the most fundamental way. Instead of just typing some question and do the stuff, these are the different ways, people use ChatGPT or any other AI tool to get to know whatever they want. Okay. So how about today's workshop? Was it helpful? Can you share your opinion on this? Let me randomly unmute and ask. Yes, Ritvik, you can unmute and tell how was the class? Did you enjoy the class?
And as from actually, it was very useful. We can ask in a very creative way to the chat GPT,
Yeah.
the basic level.
Yes.
So by that, we can get the useful answers for our future examinations.
Correct. See, no, nowadays we no need to complain on anyone, yaar. Say you can't say my school was not good, my teacher was not good, so I got low mark. No, you have this much resource. You have to use it. You want a guide and facilitator these days. You don't want somebody who gives information, because information is available everywhere. Okay, you want someone to guide and to train you into this, to give awareness on all these things. Okay, actually nowadays the teacher's job has become this only. Okay, if someone can guide and give awareness and teach all these things, that makes a difference. So that's what I was thinking, to give all these things for you all. Not only knowledge, textbook, exams. No. Okay, I just wanted to give all these for you all, so that you will become future ready. Okay, because nowadays everything has become AI. You should adopt at any cost. Yes, then who want to share your opinion on this? Raise your hand. So I want your opinions. I want some testimonial for the class I did here. Okay, so that's very much required for me. Who will give a good testimonial? Good. You can talk from your heart. You no need to cook up and tell. Just whatever you feel, you can express. Okay, yes. Anybody voluntarily can tell a good opinion, because I wanted to put this in social media, because people are asking what is going on in your class. Okay, so I wanted to show them what is going on in my class. Yes, who will tell me? Who will tell me the opinion? Yes, Shaurya, can you unmute and talk to me? How did you feel about today's class?
It is actually very helpful.
Okay.
The part of prompt writing, I used to give the shortest possible prompt to the chat GPT, and half of the questions were coming wrong when I tried.
Okay.
And now when I tried the prompt you gave me today, it gave
yes.
more, all questions were right. Like I want not out of context.
Correct. So how to use AI is very important. That's why I'm telling you, prompt engineering is very important here. Prompting. Okay, not about using AI is very easy. All AI tools are very easy. But the way you ask what you want is very, very important. Otherwise, you will not get 100% satisfactory information from ChatGPT. You should know how to use it. Okay, so this is a very basic level prompting. As the days goes on, I will teach you some advanced level prompting also. Okay, but not now. Okay, so some other time. So then who want to share your opinion? Anybody from girl side? Any girl power? Yes, where is Brinda? Brinda is there, or she went off from the class?
Yes, ma'am, I am here.
You are there. Yes,
Yeah.
share. How did you feel about
Oh.
this class?
Well, you made like learning AI feel effortless and actually fun.
Okay.
Right now, it feels much easier and more useful now, and I could confidently say that this class has actually helped me a lot, especially with the prompts. The way I write prompts was much smaller
Yeah.
because I am too lazy to type usually. But now I
Okay.
realize like typing more actually helps me, and I could study a bit more confidently now. So thank you.
Okay, super. You are lazy in typing, no? For that also, I have something. You have a software called Whisperflow. Okay, I will type in the chat section. So if you just tell what you want from your voice, that thing will get typed in ChatGPT automatically. Whisperflow. Okay, so just do some research on Whisperflow. It is for the people like you only. Okay, so those who feel very lazy in typing big prompt, I will show that workshop also now. I have Whisperflow in this system. I think I don't have in this system. Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Whisper Flow. Okay, you install this in your system. Okay, so that you just, I think you have to hold Shift, Windows and S together. Okay, that Whisper Flow, after installation, it becomes active. Once it becomes active, no, open your ChatGPT, hold that Shift, Windows and S key together. Go on telling what you want. You just go on telling, take a role of 20-year-old science teacher. I want this, everything you tell. So whatever you tell, no, your voice that gets transcribed into sentences in the ChatGPT automatically. Okay, so that you no need to invest your time in typing also. So just go through this particular tool. It is also an AI tool, Whisper Flow. Okay, so when your voice gets converted into text. Okay, so such an amazing tool. I have it in another system. In this system, I don't have, so I can't show you live. Okay, but next week I will show. If you want.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Sridhar.
Ma'am, actually, I do use Whisper Flow only every time.
Oh, very nice. You are using Whisper Flow. Okay, super. Then can
Yeah, ma'am, I do
you
use
can you
that.
share
I
your
too.
screen and show it to everyone how you are using?
Yeah, ma'am, I'll just share
Now
it.
you share your screen and show them how it looks and how to use them. You give a class to all of us. Let's learn from Sridhar now. Yes, super.
I think we may have this thing, right?
Yeah.
Hey, ChatGPT. Just a second. I just.
Mm.
Hey, ChatGPT. Take a role of 20 years experienced CBSE science teacher and make sure that I just need every question from nutrition topic. Ensure that you're just seeing and looking after every past 10 years question paper and give me 1 mark questions and 2 mark questions of each 10 so that it would be very grateful.
It will come in a script form, right? Yeah.
Yeah, ma'am.
See,
So it has come.
it has come. Okay. So that's it. Right? But don't tell me I am very lazy to talk also. Don't tell me I'm lazy to give voiceover. For that, I can't help you. Super. Amazing. Amazing, right? Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. See, we all are learning from each other. I'm just loving these classes here. Super. So who will tell me the feedback and testimonial on this class? Sridhar, can you go ahead? You also taught us something so valuable.
Yes, ma'am. Actually,
Yeah.
this was very useful. Even though I use that thing, I don't
Hmm.
say much also. I just say what is required. But what
Okay.
prompt you have taught, the way, the body, and the content,
Okay.
like the format of saying the prompt, it was very nice, ma'am. Like
Yeah.
even if I use that also, I just say what I need. I don't say all this much thing. So now if I say
Okay,
that
okay.
much thing, it would be much better and
Yeah,
help
yeah,
me better to the next
Correct.
content which I do use.
Correct,
So
correct.
that thank you, ma'am, for this.
Thank you so much. So, so nice, right? So that's what about today's class here. If you have any other doubts from the past week, you can clarify your doubts so that we will end the call. Okay. So we'll meet next
Ma'am.
week. Next week, let us discuss on electricity chapter, revision on electricity. Okay. Done, everyone? Thumbs
Ma'am.
up if you want electricity. Super. Yes, who is that?
Shaurya.
Yeah. Talk. Unmute and talk to me.
Ma'am, actually, I just asked Gemini
Huh.
that as a prompt engineer teaching
Huh.
prompt writing,
Huh.
as a prompt engineer who helped to develop you,
Hmm.
and it has given me the answer.
What it has given you?
It has even be direct and specific.
Hmm.
Pinpoint the subject, format,
Huh.
length, and key details.
Ah.
Define the persona and audience.
Okay.
Provide constraints and examples.
Wow. Okay.
I asked it in 3-point format, so these are the 3 points it gave me.
Okay. Yeah. The same thing. Role, body, instructions. Okay. So these are the 3 things you should always use. It has also given the same thing what I told actually. Role is very important. Never ever forget defining role. Role, if you give no, you get a genuine answer. Most elaborate information, most genuine and quality information you will get. If you don't mention the role, it becomes generic. It just give you some general stuff which is there over internet. Okay, if you want a specific stuff, role is important. Provide clarity on what actually you want, then some instructions, give instructions how you want, from where you want ChatGPT to search, okay, from where you want ChatGPT to pick the questions from, they are all instruction part. So these are the 3 things you should always keep it in mind.
Ma'am,
Super. Okay, guys. So
ma'am,
what is the time? Oh,
ma'am,
it's 8. Oh, yeah, tell me.
ma'am, actually I have doubt concept related.
Okay.
Ma'am, in exam they have given trace the sequence that when
Hmm.
bright light
Hmm. Hmm.
will write the sequence they asked.
Hmm.
So I have written brain.
Hmm.
In our school they are telling it's not
Spinal cord.
brain, spinal cord.
Because the question in NCRT is put up under spinal cord concept, isn't it? That reflects arc concept, isn't it? That's why. But actually speaking, real answer is brain only, because optic nerve, the neurons and everything related to eye is directly connected to brain. There's no role for spinal cord. Actual answer is brain only, but few of the teachers still, they restrict on to NCRT and they keep telling a spinal cord. Okay.
Ma'am, also they are not giving marks for that question.
It's okay, but in exam you will get. That's okay. Okay. But in exam you will get. No doubt. In exam, if you write brain also you will get mark for that. Okay. Because in
ma'am.
exam, the key answers, the question paper, everything will be set by big experts. So they know this, right? So definitely you will get mark in exam.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So that's all, guys. So any other questions from subject point
I
of
have
view?
doubt.
Yes, Sridhar, go ahead. What's your doubt?
It is given the question as the number of hydrogen ions increase in a solution,
Hmm.
then what it happens it is given.
As the number of hydrogen ions increases in a solution, the acidic nature increases. It becomes
Yes,
a
no,
strong
ma'am.
acid.
Yeah, it becomes a strong acid, but in the answer key, it is given like the acidic nature decreases.
No, it
So that
increases. See,
I
one thing you
asked.
keep in mind, when it is giving answer, ChatGPT cannot be 100% accurate.
Not ChatGPT, ma'am. I was referring a PDF.
Oh, no. Whose PDFs? My PDFs?
No, ma'am. I was taken from some other sources.
Okay, that's
I
wrong.
was,
Concentration increases.
yeah, ma'am.
pH decreases. Which decreases? pH decreases.
Yeah.
Because acidic concentration will have lower pH, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. It's like that. And one more thing I wanted to share with you all, guys. I made a homeschool book for class 10, which I will share very soon. Maybe you have downloaded the PDF notes which I have already uploaded, but actually everything has become so colorful. Let me show that if I have. I don't think I have. 1 second. I'll just show that now. Okay. Let me forward from phone to the system, and then I will show. You have amazing, color printout you can take. When you look at the notes, you feel like reading. You don't feel like it makes you bored. Okay, so all handwritten notes I converted into colorful format. Let me just do it. Just wait for a second. I'll just show few chapters for you all. one chapter I can able to show. Let me show it. Yeah, human eye and colorful world chapter I will show now. Let me share my screen. Just I'll try if I can have. See, look at carbon and its compound chapter notes. I have transformed. You have to tell me how is the notes looking at this, okay? Give me your feedback on this. Look at the notes. Can you all see my screen? Thumbs up. Show
Yes,
thumbs
ma'am.
if you can see my screen. See the carbon and its compound notes, covalent bond. Right?
Ma'am, actually,
It is
your
not.
screen is visible, but on the ChatGPT
The
part.
ChatGPT tab
Tab.
is still visible.
Oh, you are getting a ChatGPT tab. 1 second. Okay, 1 second, 1 second. Yeah. Now can you see? Can you see now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yeah.
Yes.
See, this is the carbon and its compound chapter. Okay, see point to point why carbon cannot form ionic bond, 2 points. Okay, and that too, see all these diagrammatic explanation, all that colorful molecules. Okay, biology notes are so colorful. Actually, chemistry we have to give like this. How actually the sulfur molecule looks like, carbon dioxide molecule looks like, covalent bonds, how complicated they are. See, this is how I made the notes here. So how is the notes? Everything point to point, pin to pin. See, Nalini ma'am here and there telling you to study. Okay. See, everywhere you will see Nalini ma'am in every page so that you can see me and laugh, have fun and study. You can remind me, right? Just I'm just showing, just going fast, just check it out. Combustion reactions, substitution reactions, ethanol, 90% ethanol. There is a meaning for that 90%. You will see that in the videos. Glacial acetic acid, soap molecule, micellar, soaps and detergent. Okay, so how is the notes? I'll show you.
Nice, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's wonderful.
One more notes I'll show you if
Nice.
possible. Nice, no?
I can
Yeah. I'll show you one more notes. Yeah, one more notes I'll show. Human eye notes I'll show if possible. Yeah. Mm. Yeah, I think this is reproduction. See the reproduction chapter.
Ma'am,
Yes. Can you see my screen?
No, ma'am, it got stuck.
It got stuck? Okay, let me share once again. Reproduction chapter. Can you see now?
Yes, ma'am.
How do organisms reproduce? See, sexual reproduction chapter videos, the animations, the concept. They're so wonderful. Videos are turning out so nice. All this fission, fragmentation.
ma'am, when will you upload the videos for
Already
how to-
uploaded. Asexual reproduction is over. There are 6 videos on asexual that is already uploaded in the app. Check it out. See vegetative propagation coming out from potato, spore formation. So if you have to take color print, that's the only thing. Okay, see, then it can be visually appealing for you all while reading. There is a color psychology. When you read colored things, no, you can remember better. Your brain takes colors nicely. Look at this, so nice. Puberty, changes in puberty, the confusing symptoms. You have to go through all these in a detailed way. Okay, so this is a notes on, and this is NCERT question and answers at the end. Okay, NCERT question and answers as given at the end. All NCERT question and answers. So this is the notes on how do organisms reproduce. So from now on, these notes is only I will upload in app. Okay, so actually I was from past 10 days, I was working on these notes is. Okay, so everything I am changing and uploading and all this continuous research is going on. What best I can give you all, what more I can give you all, how I can make you all get 100. From my side, I am doing all the work. From your side, you have to do the work that you have to do. Okay, so nice. Isn't it amazing? Yes, who will share the comments on the notes? So everything I have to final proofreading I have to check and then publish we are trying to publish homeschool book on this content. I'm making it as a book and publish it. Okay, so it will be ready next week. Nobody have seen. I'm showing it for you for the first time. So you are the first timers who are witnessing these notes. Okay, still final proofreading is there. I have to do final proofreading and then give it for printing. Okay, but I am so excited to show all these things for you all. So I'm showing it for you all. Okay, so all chapters are ready. All chapters are ready. I need to publish it. And this is accessible for the people who are there only in the course. This is not for free. Okay, for you all, it comes as a part of a course only. I will update all the notes. I'll replace all the notes with these PDFs. Okay. So for you all, you can get it for free as a part of course, but not for any other outsiders. Okay. So if they want, they have to come into my community. They have to be in the course. Okay. So bring people into the community. I don't want anyone to go on rote learning. So if you want your friends also to learn this way, if you want to help your friends, just spread the word on what is going on in the course to your friends so that they can get inspired and come into the course. Now the course is in great offer as an Independence Day offer. Okay, actually they will get it for lower price than you guys. Okay, so it is in offer. If they are interested, just share our WhatsApp number. Okay, note down our WhatsApp number. If your friends are interested, just give them this WhatsApp number. I will just give the WhatsApp number in the chat section for you. Just 1 second. One second, guys. 8618 861869. I'm very weak in remembering the numbers. 69 and then 2052. 2052. So this is our homeschool WhatsApp number. Okay, you can share this WhatsApp number to your friends. So they can call us, and the course is under great offer as a Independence Day offer. So you can help your friends also. Okay, so indirectly you can help the people who are working in homeschool. For homeschool, there are around 10 people working. See, 10 people, working with homeschool, even if homeschool if it has to run successfully in the future, right? So we need financial support also. So if more people comes into the community, two things can happen. One thing is they can improve, and then homeschool can grow and it can give employment to so many good teachers. Okay, if good teachers has to come online, there should be some platform, right? So I am creating one such platform for the teachers to come into the system and give online courses. Okay, so we are under teachers training aspect also. So many people are working with us, and so like you also have to do your work as a student. Okay, as a student of homeschool actually. Okay, so help your friends also and help the employees of homeschool also. Okay, because I'm giving employment to really very talented teacher but financially weak. Okay, so they cannot invest in technology, they cannot invest for some big tools. So all of them, I gathered all of them, and I'm giving homeschool as a platform to use for all of them, right? So I am giving salaries also for them. So for all this, you all have to support. Okay, support in the sense, just spread the word to your friends, encourage your friends, to come into the community. That is what the support I am expecting from you. And also a very good mark in your board exam. Okay, that is what. Okay, guys. Then
Ma'am,
any other doubts? Who is that?
ma'am, till which date this course is valid?
Till your exam. Which
Ma'am,
board you're from?
ma'am, SSLC
SLC board. I think your exams are there in the
in
month of
April.
April. Yeah,
April.
till April, no doubt.
Ma'am, but in course it is giving February 2nd.
We'll extend. I have seen that message. Not only you, many are getting that message. We'll extend, no problem. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
I will support till your exam. Don't worry. And you know what I'm coming up with? I'm so excited. I'm sharing everything for you all in advance here. Okay. I'm actually making one psychometric test for you all. Because after your 10th standard, most of the students are worried whether to go towards commerce side or towards science side or towards humanities side, and they're not able to decide where they are good at, where they can make career. To decide all of that, I am making one psychometric test. So that psychometric test I will give free for you all. Okay, I will handhold you and make it done with that psychometric test. So ultimately it will analyze all your values. It will analyze that is also using AI only. I'm making a psychometric test using AI. So I'll teach you. You'll have to fill up a form. That form you have to upload in AI and give some prompts. Okay, so that it will analyze you. It will analyze your personality. It will analyze your capabilities, interest, your persona, and everything. And it will tell you which field will suit you, where you can make a career, where you can earn lot of money in that. Everything it will tell you. Okay, so it's a game changer after 10th standard. Don't worry. If you are in a position where you are so much worried to select science, again in science, what combination, commerce, humanities, I am there. I'll help you out. Okay, so I am working on psychometric test actually. Okay, so I'm doing lot of surveys on so many students offline. So based on the survey, I am preparing one document, one form, so that you can put that form in ChatGPT and allow ChatGPT to analyze you and give back the answers and read your persona. So it's all completely a game-changing test. Okay, nobody have done this test. I am working on this aspect actually, because I have seen a lot of students confused. By mistake they enter science. After that they suffer. They come back. They change their path. And many people are in a perception that if you get 90 and 80, you have to take up science. Yes, and in many households they want their children to become only doctor or engineer, and they put up in science. Okay, right? So lot of misconceptions are there. Actually, you have to decide what you want. But this age, many of them don't know what they want. They can't able to decide. Parent cannot able to decide. So I am coming up with this psychometric test. Nice. You want this? How many of you want this psychometric test? Raise your hand. How many of you want this psychometric test? Very good. Everybody want this psychometric test, right? Super. I'm coming up with amazing psychometric test. That I will give only for first 50 members who are there in my course, no? Top 50 members who purchased my course. For them, I am giving psychometric test free. I will handhold you like this in one of the inner circle call after your exams got completed. We'll have one call like this, inner circle call. I'll select only few members. I'll handhold you. Okay, I'll make you fill the form. I'll help you filling the form, and I'll make you put it in ChatGPT and get the information. Okay, so I'll handhold you in the psychometric test. Okay, otherwise it's a paid test actually. I'm keeping it as a paid test, but for you all, I'll give it for a free. Okay, super. Super, guys. So that's all. So I think we'll wind up the class.
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yes,
I have
tell
one
me.
doubt.
Tell me.
Ma'am, when HCl is added to copper oxide,
HCl is added. 1 second, let me share my screen pad. I'll I'll go with this. So when HCl is added to,
Copper oxide solution.
you'll
Its
get
color
copper chloride
and
plus,
H2O.
yes, H2O. Yes.
It color turns to blue green.
Yes, blue green. Copper chloride is blue green.
Yeah, that is due to copper chloride, right?
Yes, copper chloride.
But in this PDF, it is given copper hydroxide.
No, ma, it's a copper chloride. Actually, according to NCERT, it's copper chloride. But you will get one byproduct, that is copper hydroxide is also possible. Actually, there can happen another reaction. This copper is there, no? This copper reacts with OH ions of water and it will present as copper hydroxide. This is the next
Okay.
reaction. Okay, but in
Okay.
your NCERT, the concept is limited here. The concept is limited here. But actually what will happen, this copper, which is a positive ion, will react with OH minus ions of water, forming copper hydroxide. So this copper hydroxide is also blue green color only. So they have given this as the final answer as the answer for you. But in NCERT, the concept is limited only till here, no? So you fix copper chloride because
Okay,
you have to follow NCERT in your exam. That's mandatory.
Ma'am, then can detergents be used to detect permanent hardness?
Detergents cannot be used because detergents will work in both hard water and soft water. Soaps can be used.
Soaps.
Yeah,
Okay,
soaps do not work in hard water. Soaps will
Okay.
form some precipitate called scum in hard water. Okay, but in
Okay.
soft water, soaps do not form any precipitate. Soaps are used, but not detergents.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, then important function of stomata in photosynthesis is to create upward tension,
Create
upward tension,
upward direction.
absorption of carbon dioxide, releasing of
Absorption of carbon dioxide, create
upward tension,
upward tension. Okay.
then releasing of oxygen, continuous transpiration.
Continuous
Transpiration. They gave this option.
This they have given as an MCQ.
Yeah, ma'am.
What exactly is the question? Use of stomata.
Yeah, function of stomata. Important role of stomata.
Everything, no?
Ma'am, but they gave the most important role of stomata in photosynthesis is.
Most important role, yes, photosynthesis.
Yeah, in photosynthesis, what is the role of
In
stomata?
photosynthesis. Okay,
Yeah.
in photosynthesis, you have to mention that then. In photosynthesis, this transpiration concept we don't talk. This is all about transportation, isn't it?
Yeah,
And
ma'am.
creating upward tension also about transportation only, right? So the
Yeah.
most important role is carbon dioxide is very important for photosynthesis. So it is
Yeah, ma'am.
absorption of carbon dioxide.
I thought the same, but in the PDF they gave creating upward tension.
No. Photosynthesis. In photosynthesis, when they mentioned, it's absorption of carbon dioxide only.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay.
Ma'am,
Then any other questions? If you
Ma'am.
don't have any questions, you can log out from the class here.
Ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, Shaurya.
Ma'am, actually in the chat, Rohan has been sending some image of a question. since
Okay,
long.
okay. Let me open that. 1 second.
Yeah, ma'am, he's been asking
Ma'am,
the
I'm
same
sending
question
the
for
question.
quite a long time.
Okay, let's see that. Let me share my screen. 1 second. I will open that. Okay. I'll share the screen once again. I'll check that. Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Where is the question? Okay, here. Aluminium powder is used in thermite welding because it's an MCQ. Rohan, is it an MCQ?
Yes, madam. MCQ.
Okay. Aluminium is used in thermite welding because option A, its reaction with iron is highly exothermic. That itself is the answer. Let me read out other 3 points also. Option B is when it is heated with iron 3 oxide, molten iron is obtained. Third one, when it is heated with iron 3 oxide, molten aluminium oxide is obtained to join railway track. Its melting point is low as compared to iron, and a molten alloy of iron and aluminum formed on heating, which is used. Melting point is low as compared to iron, and molten
Ma'am, option they given B option, madam, answer as a CBSE.
when option B has given, when it is heated with iron 3 oxide, molten iron is obtained. Option A seems to be correct according to my knowledge because it is highly exothermic. That heat is used actually for the welding. For welding, you want heat, okay? To generate heat, we use thermite reaction because thermite reactions are exothermic, right? So, are you sure the answer
When I
given
checked with
option B?
ChatGPT, the ChatGPT said option C, but later ChatGPT itself confused and asked if it is iron 3 oxide, then definitely it will be B. It said.
But according to my knowledge and experience, I would say option A. But I'll check it out, okay? I'll ask my other colleagues also. But definitely it's option A. 99.9% is option A.
Actually, in the CBSE key paper, they given that answer, madam. Official key answer. B answer they given.
B answer. I'll also refer and I'll let you know, okay?
Okay. Madam, all displacement reactions are redox reactions only, ma'am?
All are redox reactions only. No doubt in that.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Let's check this question. But according to me, my answer is option A because it's highly exothermic. That heat itself is used for welding. No, then what else is required? Then chemical reactions can happen whatever the way it want. But their ultimate purpose for welding is creating heat. Since the thermite reaction is highly exothermic, that heat is useful for welding. So option A, I would go with option A. But let me check it out. As Rohan said, it is mentioned in CBSE key answer and all. Let me also check this with the question. Okay, I'll post whatever may be the conclusion. I will post it tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow in the same community, I will post the answer after my research and reference.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Then, guys, any other question?
Ma'am, what is meant by dry cell?
Dry
Cell.
is mercury cells. Mercury cells are called dry cells.
Ma'am, in physics.
In physics, dry cell, if you use, very dry electrolyte, it can be called as a dry cell. Okay, but which part of physics has about the cells? You don't have this concept on batteries, no?
In this they have given an MCQ. The symbol used to represent the dry cell.
Dry cell? Normal cell.
Normal cell
you
symbol.
can use.
Yeah.
Okay,
So
normal, whatever the 2 lines you are using, no, the same thing you will use for all batteries and cells.
They gave 6 lines, thing is correct.
Group of batteries, cell. See, in batteries, always it's a group of cells, right? So that's why they must have given that. Dry cell is a type of battery, actually.
Okay. So they're given cell, so I got confused whether cell or a battery.
No. Dry cell is a primary battery. There are 2 types of batteries called primary battery and secondary battery. So dry cell is an example for primary battery. It's a type of battery.
Okay.
All this concept you will study in electrochemistry of class 11 actually. Okay. Yeah. Then any other questions?
Ma'am, actually I had a question in mind that how do indicators change their color?
Chemical reaction. Indicators, they chemically react with hydrogen and OH minus ions.
They form other compound.
Some other compound. They form. Indicator will be present in some other compound. Say for example, phenolphthalein is a chemical, right? So the moment you put that in acid, that phenolphthalein would react with H plus ions of acid and phenolphthalein would get converted into something else. When it has got converted into something else, its color also will change. It's like that.
And then when we add base in that, suppose in the same mix of phenolphthalein and When
Ulta reaction. Wapas reaction gets reversed.
so it is a reversible reaction.
Yeah. Reversible reactions with indicators. Okay. It's all a chemical reaction only. Color change is due to chemical reaction between indicator and H plus ions and OH minus ions respectively. Right? Are you there? Any other question? It got stuck?
No.
Then where is he?
I am there.
You're there.
I was listening.
Any other question running in your mind?
About salts.
Oh, okay. Tell me. What do you want to know about salts?
Ma'am, in the video you have mentioned that a strong base with a strong acid makes a neutral salt.
Huh.
If suppose I use the strong base and strong acid, but with different concentration. Let me suppose like 30% NaOH solution and 3% HCl solution. So will that make any difference?
It will make a difference. It will make a difference because the salt you get, see, they are asking about the pH of a salt. They are not asking about the combination of solution, right? You're getting my point.
Yeah.
See, the concept of pH over there is about the salt, not about the mixture of acid and base. Okay, so when you say 20% of strong acid, I will take 10% of strong base only, I will take, means that solution, that combination of solution will vary its pH based on whether you have too much amount of acid or too much amount of base, okay? But the concept is, we are not learning the pH of the combination of two solutions. We are learning about the pH of that particular salt. That comes out of a combination of two substances, one acid, one base. Okay.
So means it is about the salt different,
It is about the salt pH.
not about the solution pH.
Not about the solution. Solution's pH depends on the concentration of acid and base, no? See, if you are taking, like you tell, if you are taking 50 ml of some strong acid, 2 ml of some strong base, too much of acid is there. Obviously, when you check the solution's pH, you will find the pH acidic. Here, the question is not about checking pH of the combination of solution. The question is all about, the concept is all about, finding the pH of salt. Salt nature we are identifying. Salt nature, not about the nature of the two solutions mixed, right? Okay, got clear with the questions?
Yes, and one question about pH. Like when I have water, I add some acid in it.
Okay.
So acid means in like completely dry form. It makes H plus ions.
Yes, more H plus ions.
So will the pH of the solution, not the acid, the solution change if I add more water?
Definitely it will change. Based on the concentration, pH changes.
Okay.
Based on the concentration, pH changes. Definitely it will change. Solution's pH, definitely it will change. Okay?
Yeah, now clear.
Super. Then guys, any other questions? Okay, then shall we meet next week with the chapter electricity? Okay, revise electricity. We will discuss the concept first, few points on the concept, and then we will go ahead with some really cool questions on electricity. Okay, so everybody, bye-bye, keep learning. Yes, who is that?
Ma'am, I'm Shruti.
Shruti, tell me.
Ma'am, when is the one-on-one section?
One-on-one. That's what I'm telling you. These days I got busy with completion of syllabus, that is videos, and with the notes. Once that is done, one-to-one sessions I will open for everyone. You can book the slots. I'll inform you when I will, open the slots. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Once the syllabus is over, this notes thing is over, then I will become free so that I can take one-to-one classes.
Okay.
That's what I'm waiting for. Okay, guys.
Thank
Then
you,
see
ma'am.
you. Bye bye. Bye bye. Keep smiling. Keep learning. All the very best. See you next week with the chapter electricity. Bye bye.